Namaskar dosto. Tell me honestly, do you know that businesses are earning up to 10 lakh rupees every single month just by using email nurturing, email marketing, email sequences, email automation? And these are not big brands like Amazon or Flipkart. I'm talking about small businesses, freelancers, and digital coaches just like you. And here is the shocking part: 95% of Indian entrepreneurs are missing this opportunity completely. They are busy posting on Instagram, running ads, or waiting for the algorithms to bless them. But they are ignoring the one system that gives direct control, consistent income, and long term trust. There is email marketing, email automation, email sequences, email nurturing. So, in this session, I'm going to share some proven strategies, real methods that have helped people grow from zero to lakhs in revenue. The same insights that got my videos over 1,45,000 views online. The same strategy I have made organically 2 CR plus. If you stay with me till the end, you will learn exactly how to use email marketing to grow your business step by step, even if you are just starting today. And yes, if you truly want to learn powerful digital skills the right way with hand holding and full support, then CBS Tejasvi is the place for you. It is my digital skill learning program where people from all over India are building their digital careers under my personal guidance. All right, let's begin our journey because what I'm about to share can completely change the way you do business online. Now, before we talk about how to grow your business with email marketing, let's understand why most entrepreneurs are stuck right now. See, the biggest reason is over dependence on social media. People are spending all their time creating posts, reels, and videos, and then they get upset when their reach drops suddenly. Instagram changes its algorithm, reach gone. Facebook updates its policy, traffic gone. YouTube changes its policy, channel engagement gone. And tell me, who controls all this? Not you. Because social media is not your platform. You are just renting space there. Tomorrow, if the platform bans your account or shuts down, you lose everything: your followers, your content, your audience. That's mistake number one. Now, let's talk about mistake number two: no customer data ownership. When you build your business only on social media, you don't actually own your customer connection. The platform owns it. You can't message everyone directly, you can't reach them instantly. And mistake number three: no direct communication. You post something, and only 5% of the people even see it. The stories disappear in 24 hours. Videos get buried under algorithm changes. But when you use email marketing, the story changes completely. Because here, you own the contact list. Nobody can take it from you. You reach people directly in their inbox. No middleman, no algorithm. And most importantly, the return is insane. According to research, for every 1 rupee spent on email marketing, businesses earn around 44 rupees in return, and that is the minimum. That is the minimum. Now imagine if you could use the same system smartly in your business, you would not need to worry about social media reach ever again. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you next: why email marketing actually works and how it builds trust, profit, and consistency in your business. Let's move to the next part. So, dear friends, now let's understand why email marketing actually works. Because once you understand this logic, you will never ignore it again. Let's do a quick comparison: social media versus email marketing. When you post on social media, only 2 to 5% of your followers even see your content. That means if you have 10,000 followers, only 200 to 500 people actually see what you post. The rest don't even know it exists. And every single view or click on social media costs you money: 10 rupees, 20 rupees, sometimes 50 rupees per click if it is paid. You are fully dependent on the platform and their ads. They can change the rules anytime, and suddenly your entire business can stop overnight. But email marketing, it's a completely different game. When you send an email, about 20 to 30% of your audience opens it. That's 4 to 6 times higher reach than social media. The cost per email is almost nothing, just a few paisa. And most importantly, you own your audience. No one can take it away. Let me share a real example. One small Indian e-commerce brand started with just 500 subscribers. They made 45,000 in their first month. By the third month, they had 2,000 subscribers. Revenue jumped to 2.8 lakh. By the sixth month, with 5,000 subscribers, their monthly income crossed 8.5 lakh. And most of that came from automated emails they had already written. That's the beauty of email marketing. Once you set it up, it keeps working for you. It's like building an asset that earns for you 24 into 7, even when you are sleeping or on vacation. So now the question is, how do you actually do it? How can you set up this kind of system in your own business? Well, that's what we are going to talk about next. My simple 5 step framework that has worked again and again for coaches, for creators, and small business owners across the world, not only India. And if you are serious about mastering digital skills like this, you can always learn step by step inside my CBS Tejasvi program, India's only program where you get complete support. My digital skill learning program, CBS Tejasvi, where you get personal handholding and India's best support to grow your business online. All right, ready? Let's get into the 5 steps. All right, dear friends, now let's talk about the real part, how to actually do this. Because knowing is not enough, implementation creates the result. I call this my 5 step proven framework for powerful email marketing. Keep your notebook ready because each step matters. Step number one, list building. The foundation, this is the first step. Build your own email list, not random emails, but interested people who genuinely want your help or products. So, how do you do that? Simple. You need to give them a reason to share their email with you. That's called a lead magnet, something valuable you offer for free. It can be a short PDF guide like 10 secrets to grow your business online, a free webinar, a small checklist, a discount code, or even a ready made template. Whatever it is, it should solve one small problem for your audience. Because when people get value from you once, they trust you more, and that's where the relationship begins. Now, once you have your lead magnet, you create a simple landing page. What did I say? Simple landing page. A page with one clear message and one call to action. Enter your email to get this free resource. Make sure it looks clean, works on mobile, and includes small trust signals like testimonials or success stories. You can use easy tools like Systemy or something similar. Systemy is the best one, systemy.io. I have a super awesome course at a very affordable price, actually kind of free, very affordable price. Let me know if you want my course on systemy.io. This is super awesome. Please go through that course. It is super powerful. And if you have any questions, you want additional lessons, let me know. Okay. Start with systemy.io. That's enough to begin. Create one lead magnet and landing page this week. Step number two, segmentation. Talk to the right people. Now, once your list starts growing, don't send the same email to everyone. That's a common mistake. You have to segment your audience, divide them into small, smart groups. For example, people interested in product A get product A emails. People who joined a free course get learning emails. People who already purchased get loyalty or upgrade offers. You can also segment by behavior. Who opened your last few emails? Who did not? Who clicked your link? Who left items in their cart? Let me share a quick story. One coaching business divided their audience into beginners and advanced learners. For beginners, they sent basic course offers. For advanced learners, they promoted premium programs. Result? Conversions increased by 2.5 times. So, what is your action step? Divide your list into at least 3 small segments today. And step number 3, automation. The real magic. This is where the game changes. Automation. Because once you set it up, the system runs even while you sleep. Here is a simple example of 5 email welcome sequence. Email 1 on the first day 0. Welcome them warmly, deliver the free resource, and introduce yourself. Email number 2, day 2. Share some valuable insight or small success story. Email 3, talk about a common mistake and give a solution. Email 4, present a soft offer with a little urgency. Email number 5, day 10, remind them to take action before the offer ends. Each email builds trust, delivers value, and gently moves them closer to working with you. One golden rule: keep one clear call to action per email. Too many links, no conversion. Here, I would like to tell you, if you want your email campaign, email automation done by me or with me, let me know. I will set it up for you for your greater success. Now, what is your action step? Write your first 3 welcome emails this week. Step number 4, consistency. Keep it alive. Now, many people start strong but then they disappear. That's a big mistake. Your subscribers should hear from you regularly. Send one email newsletter every week. Share a tip, a story, or a small update. Keep your voice real and human. Don't sound robotic. When people see your name in their inbox consistently, you become part of their business journey. You become part of their life. And that is how you build long term trust. So, action step is schedule one weekly value newsletter for the next 4 weeks. Step number 5, conversion. Turn emails into revenue. Finally, the purpose of all this, sales and growth. But remember, selling through email is not about pushing, it's about solving problems and inspiring action. Use stories, share proof, show transformation, and then connect it naturally with your product or service. You can say this client applied step 2 and grew 2x. I can say 3 of my coaches implemented email automation and they started getting views and admissions, conversions. You can learn the same way in my course or consultation. Be genuine, be clear, and make it easy to the take action for your audience. You can write one sales email that shares a story and gives an offer. So, dear friends, these are the 5 powerful steps. Number 1, build your list. Number 2, segment it smartly. Number 3, automate your emails. Number 4, stay consistent. And number 5, convert with trust. You follow the system and your business will start growing steadily, month after month. And if you want full guidance to learn and implement all this practically, you already know where to start. CBS Tejasvi, my digital skill learning program with India's number one support system, designed to help you build your digital empire step by step. So, dear friends, let's recap what we learned today. You now understand why social media alone cannot give you stability. You now know how email marketing gives you control, and you have seen the 5 clear steps to make it work for you. Now, the question is, will you take action or just keep thinking? Because honestly, every successful business see today is built on one simple habit: consistent action with the right knowledge. It is not luck, it's not overnight success, it's learning the right skill, applying it daily, and improving with support. And that's exactly why I created CBS Tejasvi, a digital skill learning program designed for people like you who want to grow online with full guidance and real support. Inside CBS Tejasvi, you learn everything step by step, from digital marketing, sales funnels, and automation to building your brand, generating clients, and creating passive income streams. But the real difference is the support system. You are not left alone after watching a few videos. You get direct guidance, personal feedback, and the community energy that keeps you moving forward. If you truly want to build your own digital empire, now is the best time to start. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start learning today, because skills build confidence and confidence builds freedom. So go ahead, take that one decision for yourself. Join CBS Tejasvi, learn from Digital Acharya Sunil Chaudhari, India's only digital success coach with full support. And let's make your digital dream a reality. I'll see you inside the program. Until then, keep growing, keep taking thoughtful action. Jai Sanatan, Vande Mataram.